In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Jotform workflows. By the end, you'll have the Jotform app installed in your Monday.com account and added to the board where your team works, so form responses can flow into your workspace without manual copying. Start by opening your Monday.com homepage. Look toward the top menu for the small puzzle piece icon. That's the shortcut to the marketplace. Click it to open the app marketplace, where you can browse trusted add-ons that extend your workspace. If you're just exploring, you can scroll through categories, but we're going straight to the app we need. Use the marketplace search bar and type Jotform. When the Jotform app appears in the results, select it to open the listing page. Here you can review what the app does, check screenshots, and confirm it's the official integration. When you're ready, click Install App to begin adding it to your account. Next, you'll be asked where the app should be available. You can install it for all workspaces or limit it to specific workspaces. All workspaces makes the integration accessible across your account and is a good default if multiple teams will use Jotform. If your company prefers tighter control, specific workspaces is the safer choice. For now, choose all workspaces, then continue and click Install to confirm. Depending on your permissions, you may need admin approval. If so, pause and get that sorted before you proceed. Once installation completes, you'll be prompted to choose a workspace. Pick the workspace where the related board lives, then choose the board that will host your Jotform app view. Confirm your selection by clicking the board name to open it. Inside the board, you should see an option to Add App. Select that to place the Jotform app as a view or panel associated with this board. You'll see a prompt to continue setting up the app. Click Choose here to proceed with the app's onboard setup. If a ready-made configuration is available, click Use Template to quickly load a starter setup designed for common Jotform to Monday use cases. Templates are helpful because they pre-configure the app view and reduce manual tweaking. After the template loads, take a moment to review where the app appears on your board and adjust its placement if needed. That's it, your Jotform app is installed, scoped, and added to the board you chose. To wrap up, we navigated to the marketplace, installed the Jotform app, set its workspace scope, selected the target board, added the app, and applied a template to finish the setup. You're now ready to keep work moving from form submissions directly into Monday.com.